Radio grade 10s, welcome to this lesson. We are doing our very first lesson in preparation for mechanical drawings, and so there's a couple of important things here just as we start ourselves off. Alright, we are using the HSE workbook. If you have another one, still the principles that we teach here will be important for you. Now we are going to start off on page 6.1 with taking a 3D drawing and placing it in third angle orthographic projection. And so they've given us 3 areas to place our different views. Now before we get started, I wanted to show you one step back. Alright, in third angle orthographic projection, or any orthographic projection, there is a symbol that indicates the projection system that is used. This is a third angle orthographic symbol. Alright, derde hoekse orthografiese projeksie symbool. Kan hom sommer saam met my inteken as jy wil, maar gaan nou vir hom verduidelik. Just going to show you it. Some of you have seen this before. Alright. That's a symbol for third angle orthographic. What is this? It is a cone like you would find next to the road. If I draw this in 3D, got a smaller circle, and then we have the sides of that cone. Technically, you'll see some hidden detail there. That is a cone that we're seeing. Now, if I see it from the left-hand side, all right, what will I see? I will see a small circle, and I will see the bigger circle. Okay? And because it is circles, I have to show my center lines. That is the left view if I look at this cone. Okay? As ek hom van die linker af kant kyk, sien ek daai sirkeltjie en die groter sirkel, en dis die linker aansig. As ek hom van voor af kyk, if I look at it from the front, what do I see? I see this end here as a line. I see this end here as a line. And the sides going up. Yes or no? And the center line. Does that make sense to you? Okay. When they are orientated like this, with the left view, remember this part of the symbol, the 2 circles, always represents the left. This always represents the front. If they are orientated like this, it is third angle orthographic projection. As hulle so georiënteerd is, linker aansig, vooraansig, is 'n derde hoekse ortografiese projeksie, en meganies word altyd so geteken. In mechanical drawings, we will always use third angle orthographic projection. There's another projection where the same symbols are orientated like this. Alright. And that is called first angle orthographic projection. Now I've got the front view first and then the left view. It's the same thing that we're looking at. It's just how do we project it in the end. We've got third angle and first angle. We are talking about third angle. Third angle orthographic projection. If I have my front view here, if that is my front view, where will be the left view? Am I right? That's mos nou net wat ek jou nou net geleer het. Okay, there's the left view. And the right view would have been this side, do you agree? Is that what I will see in the right-hand side? If I look from this side on that cone, I'll just see that. Do you agree with me? All right. Now look here. If I put my XY axis in, that's the front. I'll just do F. That's the left. that's the right, né? Voor, links, rechts. Whichever way I put my 45, if I project this up, 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 project it across, I'm going to, and I project this up and this up, what I'm going to find here, I'm going to find a top view. Do you agree that's a top view? And if I projected this across, projected that up, across, this would have been what I also would have determined. This is the third angle orthographic projection layout. Front, right, left, and top. They will always give you the left view and the front view. That symbol that we've looked at is made up by the left view and the front view. Whether it's in third angle or first angle, they don't show you anywhere else the other views. It's always the front and the left and the front. And when it's laid out of like this, it is the third angle. If it was first angle, we would have had our front view here. Where does the left view go now? Mooi so. Where would have gone the right view? This side. Oh, julle is by. Alright, and if I then would have add X, Y axis with the 45, then this would have been the top, front, left, right. Do you see the resemblance between the two? Okay, which view is always on its own? Wat sy aansig is altyd op sy eie? Top view, top view. Look at the positioning here. If I laid this out, front, left, you see here? Same thing. So they will sometimes just give you the symbol at a drawing like this and say, start drawing. And you have to look at that symbol and realize, is it third angle or first angle? Because if it's first angle, that's going to be the layout. We're doing third angle today. Look at this layout now, and then look at what they've given us. Do you see here? They've given us the x-axis, right? And that 45. So what are the views that I'm going to draw? Look here. Front view, right view. Front view, right view, top view. Will I draw the left view in this instance? Look here. That is just this part that they've given us. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. They didn't give us this part. They just give. So you have to be witty and awake. Do you see why I say we are stepping it up? Okay? Jy moet nou bybly. Okay, hier gaat ons. So that's the symbol. I've explained that symbol to you. Now let's start here with the first one. And we can read together. Sorry, that was just the introduction to make sure you're on board. Using freehand drawing methods, draw the front view, top view, and right view of this model in third angle orthographic projection. So if we look at this, that's going to be the top. This area is going to be the front. This area is going to be the right view. Show all hidden details and center lines. Draw the symbol for third angle orthographic. We've done that. Name the views. Okay. So let's start here. If you look at what's given in the front view, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these blocks in the width. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in its height. I don't want you to start on the XY. So we're going to start, we'll just do a tentative construction. That's the top corner. If I would have put this in a glass box, that would have been the top corner. Then I've got 4 going to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've got 5 in total down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just first make sure you count it correctly. This is my front view. So if I look at it from the front, it's this surface here. And that. You are with me? I'm going to draw what I see here. So I've got at the bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's this base. Got 1 up, got 2 to the cross, that one goes all the way up, That one goes all the way up. This is introduction, ladies and gentlemen. Here we've got the square. Okay, there I've drawn everything in yellow. Then the right hand side, the width is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll start here again, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then up, we will still have that 5, of course. Two here, then another 2, and then at the back we've got this. So a couple of things here that's important. Oops. Okay, let's say this surface. So you double check, is the right view that I see here the right view that I've drawn here? A line here means there is a corner. So if I look at that top, that line there means there's a corner. This line coming down means there's a corner. This one here means there's a corner. At the back we have a flat surface. Okay. Kom ons kyk weer, as ek na die regterkant kyk, hierdie onderste gedeelte 1 2 3 4 1 2 8 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, daardie vlak is hierdie vlak, daai vlak is die agterste vlak. Nou om die bo-aansig te teken, help jouself net nou deur konstruksielyne te trek. Ek projekteer nou op. Ek projekteer nou op in konstruksie want ek wil dit sou hier net nou gaan teken met 'n liniaal, so ek wil hê jy moet dit net vir jouself oefen. Okay? Just project these across so that you start understanding how the projection works, that you project up, that you project up, that you project up. Is there any corner that I've missed that I should project? Okay, so if I look now from the top, look at this top surface, doesn't turn now, it stays in this direction. Okay, dis daai lengte op, daar sy, daai hoek, daar sy, dis die wyte, alright? Then this top here, there it goes up, it's this at the back. Do you see how my construction lines actually was a hack here? It helped me. That's that surface. And then the surface here at the bottom, this surface is this one here. Yes or no? If I look from the top now, I see that surface, that's that one is this one is this one. That's how you hack a third angle orthographic projection. Alright, let's look at the next one and then I'll allow you, I'm going to maybe do this one just for the sake of having it close by. So this is number 3 here. Alright, we'll check the front view again, the height 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, width 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 all the way. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, construction lines. All right, so the bottom of it runs this way. Highlight this for you. That surface and that surface is the front view, and then at the back there's one running down there. The right hand side is this surface here and that angled surface. Okay, so if I draw it starting here, do we need to do show it in the, yeah, we have to do hidden details. Okay, so that's going to be relevant. There's an angled surface to here, so that's my hidden detail. Okay, then my right view, if I look at it from the right, same height now. The width is 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then for the top view, project that up, cross, And this goes up as well. So in the top, oh sorry, my pen just went. I have another one here. Okay, please try and do this as neatly as possible, not as quick as possible. Made a mistake, sorry about that. So, this is also missing. Hey, why didn't you shout? That's why I got this one wrong. Okay, there's an indent there. And this one goes to, ooh, meneer. Hey, why aren't you shouting for me from the front? Okay, no worries. If you make a mistake, we correct it. Nobody's mad at you. Niemand is kwaad vir jou nie. Ek is kwaad vir jou nie. Maak hom maar net reg. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3 and it goes here. How's that? Is that better? No hidden detail in the top view. We have to label that as top. That's the front. That's the right. You can write it out. That would be appreciated. Okay, so please do the others for me on page 6.1 and 6.2. Same steps. Make sure you use these projection lines to help you. And make double check for yourself. If I look from the right, is that what I see? Yes. You give yourself a tick. If I look from the front, is that what I see? Yes. Give yourself a tick. And from the top. So you mark your own work. Alright. Any questions?
Shouldn't there be a hidden detail under the slanted bit?
Under the?
Slanted bit on the right side.
Here.
Yeah.
You're the boss. Radio. There is hidden detail missed. Okay. Your turn. Thank you for watching.